I'm so excited for the play, Jem.
I'm sure you'll make a great ham.
I practice all my lines.
Yeah, you'll be great.
Boom! Oh! Dude, you know, it scared us.
Would you guys think I was a rally or something?
How mature, Dale.
Alright, let's hurry and get to the play before we're late.
Dale's right. Sure.
Let's go. Jim, did you see it? Jim, that was a great hit. I did forget my cue, but I was still a really good hit.
Hey, your hand passing was great.
Did you see Scout? She was phenomenal.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, really good job. Alright, I'll see you guys later.
See you, Dale.
I can't stand to be around those racist people. How can they be so nice to us and not to poor old Tom Robinson?
Why always down, Jem? I mean, I just had an awesome play. Live life, man.
Oh, please, Scout. There's nothing to enjoy. Push him in, Scout.
What? That's probably nothing, Jem. What was that? Let's go.
You alright, girl?
All right.
Fine day we're having, Heck. You're not kidding. Although, Atticus, can I ask you something serious? Of course you can. You know, this trial, it just ain't right.
I know, Heck. It's sad for poor Mr. Robinson to be punished and ultimately killed for something he didn't even do.
Well, that was one hell of a try you gave out there. Made me realize how ignorant these people really are.
It's a real shame.
Atticus, ain't you mad by all this nonsense and the fact that you lost your case?
No, Heck. You gotta be realistic. I knew all the way from the start that I wasn't going to win the trial. Although the fact that you are asking me means that I succeeded. Big things will come in the future. Do you know what this trial has done?
Not completely, sir.
It's changed the momentum of the people's beliefs. For the first time in centuries in Macomb, people are questioning segregation.
Wow, you're a hero. Never thought of it that way.
After several minutes of conversation, Scout and Jem show up at home.
Someone tried to hurt us. I think it was Mr. Yu.
Bob Ewell! I hate that bastard!
Jen, you poor thing! Calling Mr. Reynolds.
I'm bleeding too.
Well, where did this happen?
Over there.